You gonna come up here, Dougie? Come here. Gonna help me read this, Doug? Yeah? When I read it, I literally think of Rex's voice. Dear Mr. Baldy, your cars... Oh, Doug. Dear Mr. Baldy, your cars in their current states are truly banky. Your Skyline needs a turbo and your Falcon always breaks down. You should have brought a Camry. But in all seriousness, you're killing it. Super proud of how you've turned your old scooter channel from a Scooter Boy 2 into what it is today. It's taken you all the way to drifting Samet's S13 in Japan to meeting subscribers as far away as Perth. Keep up the good work from your fellow YouTuber, Rex H. Dude, you're giving me chills. I think that both my cars 100% deserve these Banky stickers right here. Oh, it's funny. But he's not wrong though, like 30k subs. Like, that's 30,000 people. I came from a town that had 60,000. I couldn't imagine half of the people in that town were subscribed to my channel and followed my daily videos and watched them pretty much every single day. It's nuts. I think at the moment we're getting something around about 400,000 video views a month. And that, to me, to someone that just wanted to put videos up every single day was just like, I don't know, it's such a cool thing. And you know, Rex is not wrong. I never thought, if you had told me 3 years ago that I'd be over in Japan hanging out with one of my favorite YouTubers, or that I'd be going over to Perth and getting everyone's car defected at a car meet. You know, it's like, it's so cool. And the fact that I get to travel around, build cool cars, well, yeah, cool, Banky spec, yeah, is quite fun. And so, for 30k subs, whether we've hit it or not by the time you guys see this video, I'm not quite sure. I think we're at the current point in time, we're at 29.8. That's close enough for me. By the time this video comes out, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 30. This is sick. James Nolland and I have been having something in the works for a fairly long time now. And I haven't actually been out on track since the first day I ever drifted. And James Nolland's just like, just drive my S13. Can't say no. So to the track.
Alright, so in this car,
Yeah.
it's so torquey that you don't use first gear.
Okay.
Just take off in second gear.
Okay.
And then third gear, and that's all you do.
Okay, no worries.
Like, I don't even change the foot.
Alright, no worries.
So you definitely don't need foot.
Yeah, definitely not.
And reverse, because it's got 6 speed, is across and up to fifth, past fifth.
Okay.
Is reverse. This is like the kill switch for the power. And
Yep.
you shut the engine off.
Yep.
But if you need to start it, that's power, and then ignition, push the start.
Yep.
That's the light bar on the front.
Yep.
Yo, bro,
That's it.
reckon you can give me a little rev?
Rev.
Yeah. When it's warmed up.
And then this is the fans.
Yep, okay.
Don't forget the fans.
Yeah, certainly.
It'll make it so I can actually see.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is really good. It lights up the whole plate.
Yeah.
Okay, feel the torque on this when we get up here.
Yeah. That's nuts! Do you not have gauges or anything for RPM?
Nah, no. I got boost, oil, and water.
That's all you need, right?
Yeah. And the oil pressure one doesn't work very well.
Okay. Oh, fuck me. That's so funny. Yep. yeah.
I kind of want to learn that weight transfer,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but I'm not quite that confident just yet.
Yeah,
It would be cool to learn.
yeah. Yeah.
Third,
Yeah.
that's all good.
If it goes in. That was wicked. That's awesome.
We'll stop over, eh?
Radio. That was sick. Holy crap! I feel like I'm sitting so close to the wheel.
Yeah, you are.
That's like my full length of my legs though.
Yeah. That's where I sit.
Yeah,
You want to be as close as possible, so you're like barely putting any input in. Like.
yeah, yeah.
it feels great.
Yeah, 100%, man.
Yeah, that didn't work as planned.
Just do the rest.
Collectively, I did the whole thing, so...
You can edit it. That was a big off that guy. He came off and on.
Where do you want to go? Back to the pits?
Go back to where we're parked up. Just flick off here.
Oh,
leave
wicked.
the fans on for a sec. No, leave them on.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was back to front.
Yeah, it was all over the place. It doesn't matter. I always do it as well. As long as it's on.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Dude,
nice.
thank you so much.
Yeah, too easy.
I'm sorry if I ruined your car in some way.
Nah, it's fine.
Whoop,
I'm saying, bro.
that would help.
We wouldn't go far. The
No.
the dip will stop us.
Yeah. I need one. That's fucking nuts.
I know I got a hat on. It's a sick night. All these blokes over here are sick. Say everyone, hey, g'day everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm just gonna plug my channel real quick.
Oh yeah, go for it. Yeah, and cut clip.
Cut.
Oh, my SD card's full. Fuck.
Alright,
Alright, see you later.
so if you didn't know, I'm James Nolland. I make YouTube videos as well as that.
Wow. Wow.
So if you like JDM, like drifting kind of videos and fixing cars and that, that's what I'm about. I've been doing it for like, I don't know, 8 months now.
That's
so.
it. And go follow him because he let me drive his S13, which is like a once in a lifetime thing now.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Before I even drifted, so I've drifted Sam's car and now your car before pretty much my own.
Yeah.
So the only thing I did,
Break.
so I literally went, the first ever thing I did in this car is I went straight off, like handbrake straight into the dirt. And you're like, sweet, jump into my LSS13 and have fun. I'm like,
I didn't know you
okay.
did that,
Oh yeah.
Alright, see how I'm going, man.
Alright, no worries. Go on, man.
Sweet.
Thank you so much.